test out this rocket. Just gotta pull it in the machine. Turn our countdown on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It isn't working. Get him on it. Yeah. The rock. Man, what the? It's gonna blow. Oh. Come back up here. Okay. Next time, we're launching it down there. That's where it crash landed. Okay. Let's go.
Sammy?
Huh.
We're gonna go get Nate.
Come
You're just gonna wear a sweatshirt.
Okay. I'll make 2 parts of the movie. Now, which one of you are going on a plane down to Brazil to get that rocket back? You. Ow! I didn't even launch it. So, just go get it. Thanks to them, I have to go on a road trip a plane trip down to Brazil to get the rocket. So apparently, this plane is flying down to Peru. Then I have to drive to Brazil. Then I have to go to the Amazon, get the rocket, and fly back before 24 hours.
I mean, for Oliver, like, oh, and the Cutie School has a program that starts in 6 months, I think. I'm pretty sure it starts in 6 months. Which would be so much, I like that idea better than a daycare because it's a lot of students from. I can't stand to see her complain on Facebook then.
I am only 5 hours into the flight, and I noticed we're landing in 1 hour. So I might be wrong about 24 hours. Just let me know. Gotcha.
I mean, that would have been something.
Yay, I'm in a jacuzzi in Peru. Jacuzzi. I'm in a jacuzzi. I'm done. Forgot to go.
Standing there for like 5 seconds.
Don't.
Something about being a pie, maybe.
I don't know. It's because
I did it. Yeah.
Because after that, he saw things he wanted and he wouldn't do it again. He's trying to like come at me.
We're almost
like,
in Brazil.
Yeah.
And then started walking forward.
Don't.
Instead of him when you sit down and him trying to go right away, so he's already starting out like leaning forward.
Right.
Wait, we just pulled into the Amazon. Yay!
Sam,
What?
Do you want to make a poster then if we're gonna march?
Yes.
Okay, so after lunch we can go to the dollar store.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of want to go.
We're landing in 1 minute! Yay! I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna go buy some cheese. There we go. I'm just gonna dance around until we land. Da 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 da.
Teresa seemed like she was
Doing.
in a terrible mood.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Now I'm on top of a building.
She has absolutely
Slip.
Yeah? When I was sailing,
her stuff done.
it was like, if you don't have anything to do, go home because you're not hourly.
Dong. Oh, how did you guys get here? There were only one plane going, didn't see you. No boats coming here. There are no cars coming here. Oh, that one plane that turns into it. Yeah. I'm gonna go drive and find that thing. In the swamp? No way!
Blind ambition for love boat. U.S. representative from Iowa. Yes, Randy. Randy, picked up acting resume for household.
Run!
Debbie